how to allow sharing your post to others story. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on the option of sharing your posts on Instagram to others stories. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Click on privacy, scroll down and click on live. Click on story. So scroll down again and you're gonna see sharing, and you're gonna see under that allow sharing to story. I already turned on this option, which is other people can add my feed post and my IGTV videos to their stories, and my username will be always showing up with my post. So other people can know that this post is my post. So this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.